Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to do kinematics, one of the very interesting chapters and the very first chapter in physics. Okay. So first is the concept of distance and displacement. So we know distance क्या होता है? It is the length of the complete path. Okay. This length of the complete path is distance and the shortest distance is the displacement. Okay. If you see what is speed, so guys, speed is simply distance upon time, right? Speed is distance upon time. All right, what is average speed? It is the total distance upon the total time. Similarly, velocity is simply displacement upon time. These are the basic definitions done in class 10th also. And what is the average velocity? It is the total displacement. Okay, the total displacement done upon the total time. So suppose you have this point and this point, so you go like this. Okay, but what will the displacement? This will be the displacement. So total displacement is s, and suppose the time taken is t, so the average velocity will be s by t. All right, moving forward, acceleration, as we all know, it is change in velocity upon the time taken. All right, equations of motion, yes, these are the three very important equations we have already done, but applicable only when acceleration is constant. Okay guys, projectile motion, another very important concept. Okay, so if you project a object with velocity u at an angle of theta, then this is the range, this is the maximum height, this is the vertical component of velocity, this is the horizontal component of velocity. So x is this much, y is this much, right? Because acceleration of x is 0. Then this is the equation of trajectory, very important equation of trajectory, right? Now this is the t, that is a time of flight. This is 2u sine theta by g. R is the range, so u square sine 2 theta by g. And what is the maximum height? So this is given by h is equals to u square sine square theta upon 2g. So in one slide we have completed the entire projectile. Okay, moving forward, instantaneous velocity. So this is now where the class 11th comes to picture, calculus comes into picture. So instantaneous velocity is dv by, sorry, instantaneous velocity is ds by dt. Okay, instantaneous velocity is ds by dt. All right, differentiation of displacement. All right, then instantaneous acceleration is dv by dt. Okay, so instantaneous acceleration is dv by dt. Moving ahead, so now these are the equations which you need to remember. This involves calculus and these can be used anytime. Okay, in this no condition is there. Previous equations there was a condition that acceleration should be constant. All right, moving forward, now important points about graphs. So guys, if you have a vt graph, so the slope of vt graph gives the acceleration, the area gives the displacement. Similarly, for a st graph, if there is a st graph, that is displacement time graph, the slope gives the velocity, and for a at graph, that is acceleration time graph, the area gives the velocity. Okay, brilliant, brilliant. Are you all enjoying guys? Okay, so यहाँ पर एक बढ़िया सा मैंने चार्ट बनाया, वेरी गुड चार्ट. सो फ्रॉम डिस्प्लेसमेंट टू वेलोसिटी, डिफरेंशिएशन, velocity to acceleration, differentiation, acceleration to velocity, integration, velocity to displacement, integration. So basic formula, very useful, very useful. Okay, moving forward, relative velocity. So what is the velocity of a with respect to b? Is velocity of a minus velocity of b. Velocity of b with respect to a is velocity of b minus velocity of a. What is the important point guys? Important point क्या है? All these are in vector forms. Okay, they are in vector forms, they are not scalars, so don't just put the magnitude, you have to write in vector form. Okay, now swimmer problems also very simple. So in this case, if the person wants to reach directly opposite, so if he wants to go from a to b, then what will the time taken? So the width is how much, d, the velocity along this is how much, vm, so it will be d by vm. Okay, in this case the drift is 0. All right, and in this case the crossing is in shortest time. So what will be the time taken? D upon the velocity along this. So it is how much? The velocity along the drift along the river is VMR. Okay, so it is D by VMR. And what will be the drift? Drift will be this velocity, right? So it is drifting over here. So which velocity is contributing to drift? VR. So it will be VR into T. T we already found, D by VMR. Okay, so this will be the answer. Okay guys, so there are many more videos in the link, so please check them. Thank you guys, thank you.